Cancer, hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. This is for the month of August 2020. Thank you so much, guys, for your liking, subscribing, and sharing. Thank you so much for your beautiful comments and your love on my channel. If you guys are new, please subscribe to my channel. It helps me a lot. And I'm wishing you so many blessings, happiness, abundance, prosperity, health, wealth, so many good vibes from me to you guys. And if you guys are wondering that which deck I'm using, so I am using this Good Tarot deck. And yeah, Cancerian, I'm not offering the personal readings. So yeah, let's start your reading. This is for the Cancer people for the month of August 2020. So let's see what is coming for you. This is for the Cancer for the month of August 2020. Okay, so let's see. Justice wants to come out. So there is something very beautiful truth coming out for you, Cancer, which will balance things out for you. Wow, it's beautiful. I just want to make it separate. Let's see if it is coming again in your reading. This is for the Cancer people for the month of August 2020. Oh wow, so Magician jumps out, which is you are manifesting. Okay, this is for the Cancerian. Let's cut the deck for you guys. This is for the Cancer. Let's cut the deck for you. Okay, Cancer. Wow, Ace of Cups. So new opportunity in love. Maybe for some of you it is a new person. Eight of Pentacles. Temptation, yeah. Devil. Capricorn, Lovers, Gemini. Transformation, which is the Death card of the tarot. Scorpio is here. Page of Pentacles right in the heart of your spread, Cancer. Queen of Cups, here you are. So maybe you are dealing with another water sign, Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio. Wow, Two of Cups is here, which is very beautiful, strong connection. And Gemini is here, Capricorn is here, yeah. Page of Swords. And the Nine of Cups. Wow, I'm happy. I'm very happy for you, because 9 and with the Ace of Cups is equal to the 10 of Cups, and you're going towards it by learning some kind of karmic lesson with this beautiful strong soulmate. Yeah, okay, with the Ace of Cups, definitely there is a new love opportunity coming your way, and you are now ready for it. Yes, you're very ready. With the Eight of Pentacles, Temptation, and the Lovers card, I'm feeling that there is a person maybe in your workplace. With the Eight of Pentacles present here, there is a person on your work which you were feeling a very pull, like very magnetic pull, because maybe they are very beautiful, they are very charismatic, and you are feeling that attraction towards them, because Lovers and the Temptation, it's a very strong attraction, passionately and also emotionally. Like you were feeling a pull towards them. You were like going, hell, like what is happening with me? Why am I feeling very strong connection towards this person? And with this Two of Cups, it was very strong connection, but I'm feeling that the possessiveness of the connection from your side, Cancer, yeah, from your side, or maybe from their side, that was making this connection toxic or karmic. So I'm feeling that now that has gone away, because both of you have learned the lesson. I'm feeling this, yeah, both of you have learned the lesson, you and your person. Maybe this is a Capricorn, which is your natural 7th Cancer, yeah, your partnership house. And Gemini is also here, Scorpio is here, and yeah, now you have transformed a lot. You know, like how to fulfill your emotional need first, and then give to the others. You have learned this lesson, and you are not dependent on anything, on anyone, because maybe for some of you it was a codependent relationship. Codependency was there because of this emotional, because you were at that time, like I'm feeling that you were expecting that person to fulfill your emotions. Yeah, this is the vibe I'm getting. And the person was very practical with the Eight of Pentacles present here, and Capricorn energy is very practical, grounded, very nurturing energy, but because of the codependency issue, that connection becomes toxic for both of you, because both of you need to feel complete within yourselves and then choose one another for the loving connection. And yeah, both of you have gone through that dark night of the soul, and both of you are now very mature, very enlightened. And I'm feeling that you are also going through this change right now. You are still going through this change, and or awakening, something like that. And maybe you are extended some kind of message to this person, to this divine feminine energy of, Queen of Cups is a very receiving energy. And yeah, because in the past maybe the person was continuously giving you everything, their time, effort, energy, and you were used to it, like you were very used to it. That's why the connection becomes codependent. And now the person has changed, and they know that they are in the feminine energy side, so they need to receive. So I'm feeling that you are extending some kind of message towards them, sending them message or any offer. With the Two of Cups, Page of Swords, and the Nine of Cups energy, definitely both of you, there is no doubt that the connection is very strong. There is no doubt. And I'm feeling that you are watching them from afar with the Page of Swords energy, some kind of stalking. But the person is feeling very complete with this Nine of Cups energy. Yeah, definitely. And they don't want to be dependent on you for their emotions, and they are actually expecting this kind of thing from your side. Like they want you to be independent and not a codependent person for your emotions, because they are now very dependent on themselves and very, very independent. Yeah, they are okay. This is the vibe I'm getting, that they are giving love to themselves with the Queen of Cups energy, and they want you to give love to yourself first, feel complete within yourself, and then choose them. Wow. Because they know the connection is very strong. They know already. What is this Ace of Cups here for the Cancerians? Okay, this really wants to come out. Queen of Pentacles. Yeah, maybe this is your person, and earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, and Virgo. Page of Cups. So we have Page of Pentacles, Swords, and the Cups here. Five of Pentacles. Yeah. Okay. Cancer, I'm feeling that for some of you, this is the person, Queen of Pentacles. They're feeling complete. They're feeling like grounded, very stable, very nurturing, loving, kind energy. And whenever you were in contact with them, they had dealt with you very beautiful, loving energy. Yeah, and you know it, and that's why you are missing them. Maybe something has happened in the past, and whatever has happened, and now both of you are not together. Because both of you are going through some kind of awakening, and that's why you are feeling alone, because you want this person in your life. They have always treated you well, and in a very beautiful manner, loving, nurturing manner. Yeah. What is this temptation here for the Cancer? What is this temptation here for the Cancerians? Yeah. Okay. Knight of Wands. Okay. Ten of Swords. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Both of you very strong connection, because we have a Judgment here, which is the past life soulmate, and you have to learn some lessons. You have to be mature, and I'm feeling that definitely because of your immaturity, because of your confusion. Yeah, this is the vibe I'm getting from your side, Cancer, because the person is very mature. Yeah, with the Queen of Pentacles energy, they are very mature, and you were a little bit immature. You were on the passionate side more and not on the commitment side. But Queen of Pentacles always wants commitment. Yeah, they want stable commitment first and then passion. But I'm feeling that you were very dreaming about them. You were fantasizing about them, that they will give you that passion which you want from them. They were capable of that, definitely, but they want commitment first and then the intimacy. Okay, but because of your immaturity, they have ended things with you, and they think that no, you were not like that before. Yeah, I'm feeling that this is their mindset. I'm telling you that they think that you didn't appreciate them enough, which they were capable of. What is this transformation here? What is this transformation here for the Cancerians? Six of Pentacles, Ace of Swords, Four of Pentacles. Okay. Yeah. Because of this transformation going on right now, because both of you are acknowledging yourselves, understanding your inner self, your soul, your heart, your mind, you are aligning all these energies, and you're trying to be balanced, and there is something beautiful coming your way which will open your mind, which will give you clarity, and yeah, and open your heart as well, because right now you're not opening your heart chakra, and you will open. And maybe this is the person, because of the past experience, they are not open to the love right now, because they think that the connection was very strong with you, and now they don't want to be in that kind of connection anymore. Ooh, but they're maybe waiting for you. What is this Page of Pentacles? Seven of Swords, World, Three of Cups. Yeah, okay. Yeah, there is a little bit communication happening for both of you, and this chapter will close forever. This dishonesty chapter, I'm feeling that they think that you were not loyal with them, you were not very honest with them about your feelings, you were hiding your feelings from them, and that's why they want to end that chapter with you. And for some of you, maybe you want to spend your time with this person. You really want to spend your time. What is this Nine of Cups here? Hanged Man, Moon, Five of Swords. Yeah, I'm feeling that for some of you, you are realizing that this person was not that you think. For some of you, like, you think that yeah, this person gives you love, this person has given you emotional support at some time, at some point of time in the past, but you were just criticizing them for a little bit. I'm feeling that you didn't understand them. You were thinking about them that this person is something else, and they are showing you something else, and that's why the fight happened, arguments happened. But now your perspective has been changed. Yeah, definitely, your perspective have been changing, and you are realizing that now, no, this person was very loyal. That's why you want to come back towards them, and you want to go back to them. You really want to speak to them. That's great. So Cancer, this is I have for you. I hope this will resonate with you. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Also, you can share it with your friends and family if you find it helpful, and you can give me your suggestions in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, bye.